Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tech Creative Ideas. In this video we will learn how we can glow multiple LEDs with 12 volt. So let's start the video. So we need few things to make this project. I am taking this 0 PCB, some multicolor LEDs as you can see, a multiple switch, and important thing, this is 4.7k ohm resistor. To give power to the project, I am using this 3-in-1 connector. First thing, let me show you. This is 12 volt adapter. As you can see, 220 volt input and 12 volt output. So first we need to understand the working of circuit. I have drawn this diagram. Here is 12 volt battery. As you can see, 12 volt battery is here. These are switches. 1 2 3 4 switches are there. Here is, and these are LEDs. So what we have to do? We have to do is to just connect the positive terminal to the switches, and the other end of the switches we have to connect to the negative terminal of the LEDs, and we have to connect all the positive terminal of LEDs together, and the positive terminal connect to the negative terminal of 12 volt. After connecting the positive terminal of LED, now connect the positive terminal of LEDs to the negative terminal of 12 volt. As you can see, I have connected the positive terminal of LEDs to the negative terminal of 12 volt. Now let's connect the positive terminal of 12 volt to the switches, and the other end of switch connect separately to the LEDs. Now the circuit is completed. So let's make the project according to the diagram. As you can see, I have connected the LEDs and switches. Connect the LEDs and switches as shown in the diagram. Now I'm going to connect this 4.7k ohm resistor. So let's connect this. As you can see, the circuit is successfully completed. So let's check the connections. Connections are excellent. So let's check the circuit, will it work or not. This is 3-in-1 connector, and this is 12 volt connector. Let's connect this. Okay, now check the connection. So as you can see, the light is glowing. Let me show you, 1 minute. So as you can see, light is glowing. The circuit is properly working. As you can see, all lights are working. So guys, if you like this video, please do like it and share this video. Please subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon for latest update.